Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll be seeing how to make a purple soup. To begin with, let's cut all the vegetables and keep it ready. First, I'm taking purple color cabbage. You can take even the normal cabbage, dice it properly. Then next, I'm taking one full onion, dice completely. And then 1 inch of ginger, chopped nicely. And 4 to 5 garlic cloves, chopped well, and 2 bay leaf. That is just for taste and smell. Next, let's take half glass of hot milk. Keep it ready. So I've taken a kadai, kept it in the stove for around 2 minutes. Now I'm pouring 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can choose any oil of your choice. I've kept this kadai a little bit oily and so that the vegetables don't stick into the kadai and it greases out well. Once the pan is hot, I'm adding the chopped garlic. Wait until the garlic is crackling and then add ginger. By now you will have all the aroma of garlic and meantime the ginger as well. Mix them really well so that they turn goldenish brown. As you can see, our ginger and garlic are turning slowly and steadily into golden brown. Keep mixing them well, and once you are done with that, take the chopped onions and mix them well too. Fry them until it is completely translucent. I always use the silicone spatula because it's always so convenient to do all the work in it, and it's so easy to mix and do all the necessary work, especially for the soup. So as you can see now, the onions are kind of translucent. Don't forget to keep stirring them because that's when the oil is absorbed completely by all the veggies. Next step, you'll be adding the bay leaf. This is just for the taste and aroma. Now let's add the cabbage. I'm adding 1 full cup of cabbage, which serves around 2 people. So you can accordingly do it. And this kadai seems to be a little small for my cabbage. But yeah, you can take a proportionate proper vessel to cook your soup. As you can see, I've just cooked it raw with the oil. I have not added anything into this. Once you feel it's all mixed up well, you can add 1 glass of water. You will know the consistency of water as well once you start cooking it, so you can do it accordingly. Always make sure you give it a nice mix every now and then, and add some salt. Now according to taste, for me I like very less salt in my soup and more of pepper, so I'll be doing that later. So once you've mixed the salt, just keep the heat in medium so that the cabbage will boil well. Meanwhile, let's even add herbs. I have taken dry herbs, so you can use any kind of herbs that you have. This is also again for the taste. It'll give a nice texture to the soup. And now let's cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's time to add the hot milk, which we had kept aside, and again boil it for some more minutes. Before that, just give it a nice mix so that the milk soaks into the cabbage and takes its texture and juicy flavor. So let's cook it again for another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, when you open it, you see the magic colorful lavenderish soup is ready, which is completely boiled and looks so amazing. Now you can remove the bay leaf because we don't want this into our mixer jar. So remove the bay leaf. Give it a nice mix. At this step you can even add pepper, but I would like to add my peppers in the mixer grinder, so I'm not doing it right now, but you can do it if you want it at this step. So let's convert this into a mixer jar. So before grinding them all together, I'm adding some pumpkin seeds, almost half a cup. Also, I feel it should have a little more salt by this stage, so I'm adding a little more, like a pinch side of salt. And then grind it really well into a fine paste. Like I told you, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of pepper at this stage and then grinding it again. I like my soup being a little thick and not too liquid, so according to my consistency I've just added a bit of water. As you can see, it's not very liquid, it's just thick as I want to eat it. So here you go, purple yummy in your tummy, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. See you in another video. Bye bye. Love and peace.